la 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 la. I'm happy. I am happy. I am so happy today. I want to sing, I want to dance, and I want to see the time today.
Chinu, why are you so happy today? You are singing and dancing.
Buzz, look! Grandma gave me a new watch.
I also want a watch, Grandma. Grandma, I also want a new watch.
Chinu, come, let's go. It's getting late for school. Where is Buzz? He has gone to get a new watch from Grandma.
Even I am happy. I am so happy. Look, Chinu, Grandma gave me a new watch too.
Show it to me, Buzz. This is very nice. Come, it is 8 o'clock now. Time to go to school. Hello, Sahil.
Hello, Chinu. Hello, Meenu. Meenu, look at Buzz and Sheila. They are fighting. Come, let's go and see.
Sheila, what happened? Is Buzz troubling you?
I am not troubling her, Meenu. She is troubling me. I told her that we came to school in 2 minutes.
But that is not possible, Meenu. My house is closer to school than yours. And I walked for 5 minutes to reach school. Buzz says that you walked for only 2 minutes to reach school.
Oh, Buzz, we took 10 minutes to walk to school. It is not 2 minutes. Who told you that we took 2 minutes to walk?
My new watch told me. Look, when this small hand was on 8, we left home. Now the big hand is on 2. And the small hand is still on 8. So we reached school in 2 minutes.
Oh, Sheila, I am so sorry. Buzz does not know to see the time properly. Grandma gave him a new watch today. Let us teach him to read the time. Buzz, look here. Can you see these small lines between the numbers? The big hand or the minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12. So it is 10 minutes past 8 or 8:10. It is not 8:02.
Oh, I didn't know that. I am sorry, Sheila.
That's okay, Buzz.
Okay, Buzz, come here. Let me draw a clock on the mud with this stick. We will mark a time on this clock. You have to try to read the time, okay? Tell me, what is the time now?
I know. It is 12:04. No. It is 4 o'clock.
Buzz, are you sure?
Yes, it is 4 o'clock.
Buzz, look at this carefully. The small hand or the hour hand is on 12. The big hand or the minute hand is on 4. So it is not 4 o'clock, it is 12:20.
It is 12:20. But it looks like 4 o'clock.
I will draw 4 o'clock next to this. Then you will know the difference. Can you see this now? When the hour hand is on 4 and the minute hand is on 12, then it is 4 o'clock. Look at this first clock. Here the hour hand is on 12 and the minute hand is on 4. So it is 12:20.
Now I know. Give me more, please.
Okay, try this. Can you read the time?
Yes, I can. It is 3:15.
That's right, Buzz. Can you do this now?
I think it is 8:05. Oh, no. I don't think I'm right.
You are wrong, Buzz. It is not 8:05. Look carefully. The hour hand is in between 5 and 6, and the minute hand is on 8. So it is 5:40.
How do you do it so fast? How do you know it is 40 when the hand is on 8?
It is easy, Buzz. I will tell you how. See, there are 5 small lines up to 1. So it takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move from 12 to 1. In the same way, it takes 5 more minutes to move from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, from 4 to 5, and so on. So you multiply that number by 5 to know the minutes. So if the minute hand is on 8, it is 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 40 minutes. That is why by this clock it is 5:40, because the hour hand is in between 5 and 6 and the minute hand is on 8.
Now I know. Meenu, I will tell all the minutes by myself. Let me start. This is 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Buzz, stop! It is not 60. When the minute hand comes to 12, then it becomes the next hour, like this. See, by this clock it is 5:40. When the minute hand moves, first it will become 5:45, then 5:50, then 5:55, and when it touches 12, it will become 6 o'clock.
Oh, now I know. Again, when it starts moving, it will become 6:05, 6:10, and go on like that. Can you give me one more, Chinu?
Yes, do this now.
I know. Wait, I am thinking. It is 5:50.
You are wrong, Buzz. You are wrong. It is 4:50, not 5:50.
Meenu, this Chinu always troubles me. He just put this small hour hand close to 5 just to confuse me. He put it wrong. It is not 4:50.
Buzz, it is not wrong. Chinu is right. I will tell you how to read this. The hour hand also moves with the minute hand, but it moves slower than the minute hand. So if it is 2:30, we write it like this.
Oh, the R hand isn't between 2 and 3. Now I know. It is trying to move slowly towards 3 o'clock. But why did Chinu say this is 4:50? I thought this is 5:50. Look, the R hand is closer to 5 and not 4.
That's right, Buzz. It is closer to 5 and not on 5. It is trying to get closer to 5 o'clock. But it is not yet 5 o'clock. So, it is 4:50. Look, when it is 4:55, the R hand moves even closer to 5.
Oh, now I know. When the R hand is in between two numbers, we should only read the earlier number. Chinu, now I want to try one more.
Okay, try this, Buzz.
I know. It is 9:55.
That's right, Buzz. Okay, now you hold this stick. When I tell the time, you mark it on the clock.
Oh, that's fun, Meenu. I can do that now.
Let me give you a time, Buzz. 7:20.
I will draw the R hand first on 7 and the minute hand on. Wait, I'm thinking. I know. I will draw the minute hand on 4.
That's right, Buzz. Now do this. 9:35.
Is this correct, Meenu?
That's right, Buzz. Try this. 6:30.
I will draw the R hand on 6. Now, the minute hand. Oh, I have to draw that also on 6. What do I do now?
You have to draw like this. The R hand is in between 6 and 7 and the minute hand on 6. It is 6:30.
How do we know if it is morning or evening? We have 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and all the time in the morning and evening also.
Buzz, we follow a 12-hour clock. We write AM for morning and PM for evening. So if we write 6 AM, then it is 6 o'clock in the morning. If we write 6 PM, then it is 6 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, now I know. If we write 8:30 AM, it is morning. And if we write 8:30 PM, it is night.
That's right. Now I will draw a time. Buzz, you read the time.
There is no time like this. Meenu, look at Chinu. He is troubling me.
Buzz, this is 12 o'clock. When both the hour and the minute hands are in 12, it is 12 o'clock.
Oh, 12 o'clock. But when do we write AM and PM for 12 o'clock?
When we write 12 AM, it is 12 o'clock in the midnight. AM starts from there. 12 PM means 12 o'clock in the noon.
So 12 a.m. is 12 o'clock in the night and 12 p.m. is 12 o'clock noon time. 12 o'clock reminds me of a funny story.
Funny story? Meenu, please tell the story.
Last year, our friend Shyama was going to Chennai for a holiday. Their parents had booked tickets to go to Chennai by train. The time of departure of the train was printed in the ticket. It said 7:30. So Shyama and her family reached the station at 7 o'clock. They were very happy. They thought they had reached the station early. They were waiting on the platform. They did not see any train. The station master came and told them that their train had already left and they had missed it.
How is it possible, Meenu? You said the time of departure of the train was 7:30 and they reached the station at 7 o'clock itself.
Buzz, it was 7 o'clock in the morning. They reached the station at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Oh no! If they just write 7:30 without AM or PM, how will they know if it is morning or evening? If we have to go by train, how will we know if it is morning or evening?
The railways and airlines follow a 24-hour clock, Buzz.
24-hour clock? What does that mean?
There are 24 hours in a day. In a 12-hour clock, we break it up into two parts of 12 hours each and call it AM and PM.
But in a 24-hour clock, the time just continues after 12 as 13, 14, 15 and so on.
How is that? After 12 o'clock, it is 1 o'clock.
That's right. But when we follow a 24-hour clock, we say 1 o'clock as 13 hours. Then 2 o'clock becomes 14 hours and 3 o'clock becomes 15 hours. So if the train leaves at 7:30 in the evening, the time will be written as 19:30 hours on the ticket. So if it is written as 7:30 hours in the ticket, it means 7:30 in the morning.
But how can you calculate it so fast?
I will tell you how, Buzz. Up to 12 o'clock in the noon, just say the time as it is. After that, just add 12 to the time and you will get the 24-hour clock.
But how?
Okay, if it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, just add 12 to 3 in your mind. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So it is 15 hours. 6 o'clock is 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 hours.
Now I know 9 o'clock is 12 plus 9, which is equal to 21. So 21 hours.
That's right. 8:15 is 12 plus 8:15. So it is 20:15 hours. 11 o'clock is 12 plus 11, which is equal to 23. 23 hours.
So, 12 o'clock in the night becomes 12 plus 12, which is equal to 24. That is 24 hours. After that, what?
After that, it starts again because it is a 24-hour clock. We should start again after 24. So 1 o'clock in the morning is 1 hour.
Oh, so some places they follow the 24-hour clock. Meenu, I like the 12-hour clock and AM and PM. We will follow that, okay?
Okay, Buzz. We all normally follow the 12-hour clock only. Now, let us continue with the game. Look, I have marked 7:30 on this clock. Buzz, tell me how long the minute hand will take to move from 7:30 to 7:50.
Oh no, how do I do this?
Okay, I will tell you. Just subtract the minutes. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. It will take 20 minutes for the minute hand to move from 7:30 to 7:50. Like to move from 5:05 to 5:20, the minute hand will take 15 minutes.
Oh, now I know. I can also ask you something. Chinu, do you know what 15 minutes after 4 o'clock is?
Oh, Buzz, I am not like you. I know the answer. It is 4:15. Friends, do you also know how to read the time? You can play the clock game with your friends, just like the one we played with Buzz. It's lots of fun. Can you tell me what is 30 minutes past 7 o'clock? Think.
Shall we match the clocks to the right time? Will you give your answers loudly, one at a time in order? 2:30. 5:15. 9:25. 6:10. 7:45. 4:50. 3:05. 1:20. 8:55. 12:40. 10:35, 11. All of you can read the time now. Watch the clock carefully and can you tell the correct time loudly? Butterfly will pick it up for you. 12:05 or 5 or 12:25. Five o'clock. 6:10 or 2:06 or 2:30. 2:30. 8:05 or 5:40 or 8:25. 8:25. 4:45 or 9:20 or 9:04. 4:45. 9:15 or 3:45 or 3:09. 3:45. 7:55 or 11:35 or 11:07. 7:55. Can you all take your notebook and pencil? I will wait for you. Let us mark the right time in the clock. 4:40. 6:45. 7:15. 5:10. 1:30. 2:00. 12:35, 11:20, 3, 2:25, 12, 6:30, 8:55,
'Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Radha takes 20 minutes to walk to school. At what time will she reach her school? 8:20. The bus leaves the village bus stop at 5:20 p.m. and reaches the town at 5:50 p.m. How long does it take to reach the town? 30 minutes. Ramu uncle milks his cows from 4:10 a.m. to 4:50 a.m. How long does he take to milk his cows? 40 minutes. Chinu and his friends play hide and seek. They play from 5:10 in the evening till 5:55 in the evening. How long do they play? 45 minutes. Sahil went to collect some sticks for his mother. He left home at 6:05 in the morning and came back at 6:40. How long did he take to collect the sticks? 35 minutes. Grandma went to the market at 10 a.m. and came back at 11 a.m. How long did she take? 1 hour. Meenu goes to school at 8 a.m. and comes back at 3 p.m. How long does she stay in school? Seven hours. Buzz went to look for honey at 6:30 a.m. and came back at 7:15 a.m. How long did he take? "45 minutes." Ma put the rice on the fire to cook at 6:50 p.m. It got cooked by 7:15 p.m. How long did it take for the rice to cook? "25 minutes." Chinu and Meenu study from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. How long do they study? One and a half hours.
Friends, Buzz knows to read the time in a 12-hour clock. Will you help him pick up the same time in a 24-hour clock?
7:15 a.m. "7:15 hours." "10 a.m. "10 hours." "1 p.m. "13 hours." "4:20 p.m. "16:20 hours." "9 p.m. "21 hours." "10:25 p.m. "22:25 hours." "7 p.m. "19 hours." "8:45 p.m. 20:45 hours. 6:05 p.m. 18:05 hours. 'Will you draw a clock in your notebook and mark the time? Will you all do it, friends? At what time do you wake up? At what time do you have a bath? When do you leave for school? When do you get back home from school? When does the sun rise in your place? How long does it take for you to reach your school? How long do you play in the evening? How long do you take to eat your lunch?